Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use easy at-home ovulation tests. First, understand that these tests work by detecting a surge in luteinizing hormone, or LH, in your urine. This LH surge is a key indicator, typically happening about 24 to 36 hours before you ovulate. By pinpointing this surge, you can identify your most fertile window, significantly increasing your chances of conception. Start testing a few days before your predicted ovulation date to catch the beginning of your surge. Now, let's go through the simple steps. First, collect a fresh urine sample in a clean, dry container. Next, carefully dip the absorbent end of the test strip into the urine. Make sure to hold it there for about 5 to 10 seconds, but be careful not to immerse the strip past the maximum line indicated. After dipping, remove the strip and lay it flat on a clean, non-absorbent surface. Then, simply wait for the results to develop. Interpreting your results is straightforward. For the test to be considered valid, a control line must always appear. A positive result is indicated when the test line is as dark as, or even darker than, the control line. This signifies that an LH surge has been detected, and ovulation is likely to occur within the next 24 to 36 hours. If the test line is fainter than the control line, or if no test line appears, an LH surge has not yet been detected. To maximize accuracy, follow a few best practices. Try to test at roughly the same time each day, with the ideal window being between 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. Avoid using your first morning urine, as LH can be too concentrated, leading to false positives. Also, reduce your fluid intake for about 2 hours before testing to ensure a more accurate reading. Continue testing daily until you observe a clear positive result, indicating your fertile window.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.